Hi, my name is Rich McHugh, and I'm going to quickly show you how you can vibe code a web-based application like a soundboard to learn the alphabet of another language quickly and easily. So to start with, I've put together a prompt already here that it took me 2 or 3 prompts the first time I did it, but I've just saved this so that I can quickly put it in here, and I'll paste it. And it basically, I'm going to create a Portuguese alphabet soundboard, and it's got some other directions there. And I've recorded the audio already, which is actually was much more time consuming than having Gemini, in this case, create the soundboard. So it's giving me a bit of information, and then it's coding right now. So you can see it's still working, and it's done. So if I go to the top, I can click on the download button, and it just downloaded it. So I'll open it up. Here's the soundboard, so it's the whole alphabet, and then if I click on that, C, J, so you can hear the letters that are being pronounced. O. So that's all it takes to create a soundboard, and this is just using the free version of Gemini, but you could use Claude, ChatGPT, or other tools as well. It also has some suggestions on things that you could do to potentially make it even better, but again, there you go, probably less than a minute that it took to create a soundboard for Portuguese. And you can do lots more just beyond soundboards, of course. Anyways, I hope this is helpful.